Hello everyone, yes, I'm back with a short little episode, a little video of what's been going on and what's happening. As you may have read from the title, it's a bit of a chat, and it's the day I've painted the car, and what I can say is the results were absolutely amazing. We've got on the bonnet already, we've got a shine, and I haven't even polished it or flattened it yet, so I can tell now that it's going to look pretty good, and other things like that. I'm only 15, I've never sprayed in my life, and it's always something I wanted to do, and yeah, got all the airline thanks to someone who paid for the compressor, got all the air guns, all the air tools now. We've already gone through 5 litres of filler primer, and this morning I probably could have done with a bit more, but oh well. We've got the red, so the car is going red, but the black is a little bit of a secret with that at the moment, and a couple of little other things that are going to be secret until it's painted and finished. Yeah, so just a bit of a chat of what's going on and things. Hopefully by the end of this month, July, it will all be painted, and I got 6 weeks off school, and then hopefully we can finish do the rebuild through that 6 weeks. Hopefully going to get the girlfriend round to help with the interior, do a bit of carpeting, door cards, headlining, all the trim and bits like that. What else is happening is, while she does that, or I'll do it as well with her, I'll be working and finishing off the engine bay and doing a bit of the outside little bits. But yeah, hopefully by December it'll be finished, and then we'll get to some shows. Just wanted to say a massive thank you to everyone who's been donating to the GoFundMe page. I think we're at 316 quid, 316, something like that, and the goal was 550. So if you're watching this and you'd like to go and donate some just to finish it me off, then that'd be amazing. I'd love to finish the car with that goal finished as well. And even if I run over that, then that money will be put into the next project, obviously, because the channel will finish. Well, I don't want it to finish, but when this is done, I don't know what else I'm going to do. Yeah, so really happy with the paint. It's come out really well. We're using cellulose pre-thinned primer. Then we're going on with a neat red and mixing it with the ratio 50/50 with a thinner, a high gloss thinner. Always run through your air gun with a bit of thinner first, just make sure it's all washed out, and at the end of using it as well. And get some panel wipe. I'm using special panel wipe. As you can see behind me, put up some spotlights the other day, which look, it's lightened up the whole garage, so it's amazing. And now I can actually see what I'm doing. Yeah, so on the Mini, it's coming well, but putting it outside onto the garden to spray it, the battery cable came out, so I'm a bit annoyed about that, but I've got to sort that out at some point. Sorry about my nose, blocked from all the paint fumes. I don't think I'm going to put a lacquer. Well, I might put a 2-pack lacquer on it. The roof's having a lacquer, or it has had, but I don't know about the red because it looks pretty decent nowadays. Hopefully, if anyone's about on the 17th of August, I will be having a meet at my house. Daniel, oh shit, I can't remember his YouTube. Daniel Coates is coming anyway, with his Mini. I hopefully get my Mini half there so we can put it out on the driveway with you all, or leave it in here and have fit more cars out the front. Yeah, if you're interested in that and want to pop over, I'll do a barbecue, things like that, and get everyone round. Anyone's invited, so just let me know if you want to come or not. Yeah, so we've got that, and he's going to do a bit of a talk on it. Well, he's not. Just do a little meet and that. And then someone's going to be it's a secret for now, but got someone special coming onto the channel at some point, and he will do a review on my car and that, so hopefully that'll be alright. And yeah, another thing, just wanted to talk about health and things like that. A massive thank you to everyone who's commented on the video and that. It really has made me feel like it ain't just me alone and that, so I can talk to people if I need to. So yeah, that's really helped me boost my confidence and things. What else was I going to say? Yeah, so that's really helped me. I'm getting help at the moment and things. School's a bit of a grind. Getting called that I don't have initiative. I'm not going to get anywhere in life. I'm a failure because I'm not academic. Because I'm practical, I'm a bit of a failure. Which I've started believing that myself and things like that. So it's taken a bit of a toll on me and the car and the projects and things. So that's why there hasn't been as many videos as I'd like. I might go quiet for a little bit because I've got to concentrate on my health. But I've got a few videos that I've already recorded before this one that will come up after this. A bit of preparation, things like that. So we'll chuck them on just to keep you all watching and things like that. And yeah, so I do appreciate it. It's made me feel like I can open up a little bit more and talk about it, and it's not just me. So thank you everyone really for that. And yeah, if you want to come to the meet, let me know, that'd be really good. See how many cars we can get down here. What else was there going on? I think that's it. So thank you everyone who's been behind the build so far. We're getting there. We're at least 3/4 of the way through the build, and the start of the engine, and then we had a leaky carb. So that video's coming soon, but it's getting there. What else? If any one of you got any sports pack arches, absolutely desperate for some for this, but struggling to find them, and especially because they don't work or anything, the prices, I think I looked the other day at a couple of £100 for all 4. And I was like, I'm not going to do that. Otherwise I'll have to put spacers on it. Well, I'll have to just put some spacers and group like 5s or something on it. But I think the sports pack look nice and give it a bit of better taste. So yeah, just wanted to thank everyone for that. Thank you to like all the family who's been watching this as well. Been getting in touch and saying how well I'm doing. Yeah, so thank you everyone. Thanks to the girlfriend as well for just being who she is and being like always there. Yeah, I guess it's helping and it's getting there slowly. So yeah, thank you everyone for that. And it won't be long until I should be in a better place, so we can finish off the car. But now it's painted, it's like sealed, so it doesn't matter as much. But it might have to go outside a few times because the garage, Dad wants the garage and things. So yeah. So yeah, thank you everyone for watching and that. It's been a journey so far. There's a link in the description for the GoFundMe pages for donations and things. I'm selling stickers as well. I think there's a link to my shop in there. We've got JTech Racing stickers, Josh Smith stickers, we've got all sorts coming. And if any of you want a cross-stitch mini, so a cross-stitch of your car, and let me know as well, get in touch with me through social media. Because we can do that. We've done one for Daniel already, and he's we've sent him pictures, got to send it soon, so he's liking the look of that. So yeah, I'll just take you for a walk around the car, but that's me done, and that's me signing off. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you very shortly. And yeah, just keep on watching the videos. Maybe 200 views on this, because I've seen the views are dropping a bit, so let's try and pull them back up. And that, there's 200 on this, that'd be good. That'd be appreciated, and I'll put it in the description and things. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you very shortly. Right then, so makeshift garage out, and well, from Total Car Reviews, nicked that from. Yeah, we've painted it, primed it up and everything. Never sprayed in my life, only 15, and we've got a nice looking coverage on this. We've got in an area here, it's nice and smooth. So for the primer's on, and yeah, don't look too bad. Quite happy. So yeah, we're going to pull it out and do the other panels. Yeah, so I've got to polish it up. It's not looking too bad. This bonnet is like the best thing ever. Look at that shine already. Look at that. Love it. We've got to flatten that and sort that. But yeah, it's looking good.